Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to change your country in CapCut. If you've ever wanted to update your location, personalize your bio, or make sure CapCut reflects where you're actually based, this tutorial will walk you through each step, calmly and clearly. By the end, you'll know how to tweak your country setting and make your profile feel just right. Let's jump straight in. First up, go ahead and open the CapCut app on your device. Take a moment to make sure you're logged in so you can access your personal account settings. Opening CapCut is where it all starts. It's the central hub for editing, sharing, and managing your content. Once you're in, you'll see the familiar interface with all your videos and projects. Next, look toward the bottom or top of your screen, depending on your device, and find the user icon. It usually looks like a little silhouette or avatar. Tap on that. This icon is your gateway to all the personal features CapCut offers, kind of like your digital fingerprint within the app. By selecting it, you're basically saying, "Take me to my private office." Now, you'll see a menu pop up. Here, you want to click on View Profile. Think of your profile as your personal ID card in CapCut. It's where friends, followers, or collaborators see who you are, and it's where you control the details that represent you. Hitting View Profile brings you right where you need to be to make changes. Once your profile opens up, you should spot a button that says Edit Profile. Go ahead and click that. This is where you can modify all sorts of stuff. Your username, your profile photo, maybe a quick intro. In CapCut, editing your profile is pretty straightforward, kind of like updating your social media bio or adding a snapshot to your contact details. Inside the Edit Profile menu, find the Bio section. Here's an important little detail. CapCut doesn't have a dedicated field specifically called Country. Instead, you'll want to type your country into your bio. So, in the space provided, you can write something like Country Canada or wherever you're located. This is actually a neat workaround, and it gives you flexibility to add other info if you want, maybe your age, interests, or a fun fact. Don't worry if this feels a bit different than how it works on some other apps. CapCut keeps things simple and lets users express themselves freely. Once you've updated your bio with your country, for instance typing Country Canada, take a moment to double-check everything for accuracy. A gentle tip. It often helps to keep it brief and clear, so people know at a glance where you're from. When you're happy with the update, just tap Save. Sometimes there's a quick pause as CapCut saves your changes. That's totally normal. And that's it. You've updated your country in CapCut. Your new country will now appear in your bio for anyone who checks out your profile. It's a small adjustment, but it can make a big difference, especially if you collaborate with others, want to share your global identity, or simply keep your info up to date. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up. It really helps out. If you have any questions or maybe ran into a tricky part, drop a comment below. I'll be happy to help. And if you want more CapCut tips and editing tutorials, don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.